Wait! Before you buy any crypto, you need to understand USDT. It's one of the most used coins in the world, but most people have no idea what it really is. Let's break it down in 60 seconds. USDT stands for Tether, and it's what we call a stablecoin. That means 1 USDT is always equal to $1, no wild price swings like Bitcoin. It's designed to be stable, fast, and easy to use for trading, saving, and sending money across borders. It runs on multiple blockchains like Ethereum, Tron, and Binance Smart Chain. And it's issued by a company called Tether Limited, which says every USDT is backed by cash or assets like treasury bills. That's why USDT is used daily by millions for crypto trades, payments, and transfers. But here's the thing. USDT is centralized, so it's not completely risk-free. You're trusting a company to hold that value. Always use trusted wallets, and don't keep large amounts on exchanges. Want more clear, beginner-friendly crypto tips? Hit subscribe, drop a like, and comment your next question.